This time I bought a couple of boots from Germany, from Bundeswehrdiscount.de. I don't know if the pronunciation is right. Anyway, here they are. A little banged up package. Let's see what's inside. It's the Bundeswehrkampfstiefel. I don't know if that's right German pronunciation, but Bundeswehrkampfstiefel 2007. So I have read a lot about them, and I think it's going to be pretty cool. I bought a couple of other things also. Let's see here. They're supposed to be brand new anyway. Well, that's one. Oh, brand new boots. Yeah, they look really nice. So I read a lot about them, and what people think is that they are really good, I believe, and it's going to be really fun testing them out. I'm going to break them in very carefully, because that seems to be something that you have to do with these. It was something with the seams on the inside, I believe. Anyway, I'm going to put some grease on them and break them in, and we'll see what I think. After polishing them 2 times with German shoe polish from the the store, I fill them up with warm water, so they are a little bit kinder to my feet and shape well. After 30 minutes I pour it out and let them sit for another 30 minutes upside down, so it's not so wet. Then I put the dry insoles and lace them up. And then I am ready to take a walk. Unfortunately, the weather wasn't with me that day. It was raining and 4 degrees outside, so I took the treadmill for a spin. I have 2 pair of socks on. I have one thin pair first and then a little bit thicker. And that's the way I'm going to use these boots, because I'm going to have them on winter mostly. So you can see a time lapse here where I'm walking. I'm walking for 30 minutes first, and then I'm changing my socks, and that gives me some time to lace them up really good and tight again, so because they soften up a little bit and loosen up a little bit. If you like, it would be really nice to give me some comments if I'm doing it right or wrong, or tips or something I can do differently. If you have something, or if you're using these boots yourself. I think these boots were very, very good to walk in. They were very, at least to my feet, they were very, very kind. So when I had walked a little bit, I decided to raise the stakes here. When I started to do some uphill inclination, I started feeling a little pressure on the front side of the foot, but it wasn't too bad, so I decided to start running. So I was running the last 15 minutes. You will be seeing that soon. It looks kind of funny. And anyway, when I had been walking for an hour, I took the insoles out and I let them dry out for overnight. I think the boots were so kind to my feet and soft, and yeah, good boots. So I'm not going to do anything more to break them in. I'm going to start using them, and they're going to soften up and be better and better and better, and sit on my foot better and better and better. I think these boots are really cool. I think they're light, affordable, and easy on the foot, at least my foot. So when spring comes, I'm going to do a full review, so be sure to subscribe and watch it in the spring.